kung kayo ay may pinagdadaanan, please try not to go out during the time of the solar eclipse. Wala naman pong masama kung iiwas lang po kayo ng paglabas. Kung hindi kayo maniniwala, then we respect it. Pero kung kailangan lang naman na dagdag protection para sa atin, wala pong mawawala kung medyo iiwas lang po tayo. Pero kung pakiramdam nyo po kayo si Darna, kayo si Wonder Woman, o kayo po si Superman na hindi kayo naniniwala dyan, bla bla bla, pwede nyo pong gawin ang gusto nyo pong gawin. Ang sa akin po, if you feel that you need it, you're going through so much of bad luck, please refrain from being out on the solar eclipse time. Wala pong mawawala kung pong hindi lang kayo sasama dyan. Pero kung kayo ay may pinagdadaanan, please try not to go out during the time of the solar eclipse.